Hey guys, this is going to be my second pen spinning related video. This one's on the rsvp MX, which I got today. After you spin it a while, once you first get it off Penwish, which is where I got my rsvp, you can start to notice that if you hit it like right here, or like when it hits your fingers while you spin, it makes a weird sound. At first, people would think it's the cap. Then you know, if you take the grip off, you notice that it's all the way down, and if you try to put tape, it still doesn't fix it, but it's not the tip. What you need to do is take the back cap, take that off, and there would be a pen exposed right here. Normally, with a normal pen, you wouldn't be able to pull it out, so like it won't fall off while you're writing, but you can easily just pull this out, and you have the lead for it right here. So you put the cap back on, spin it, there's none of that horrible sound, and I think everyone should do that with their rsvp MXs. It makes it spin a lot smoother, and it just has a better feeling, and that sound just gets out of the way. Yeah, it was just a short video, so yeah, bye.